Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Wednesday, the 19th of August. I'm James Spann. Rain chances increasing for Alabama, and eyes are on the tropics. Ooh, so much to talk about today, so let's dive in. Here we go. Once again, the heat ridge out in the western states where they are just so hot, but a nice downstream trough over the east. And as expected, moisture levels have been increasing, and we have convection back across Alabama today. That's the visible satellite view. There's the radar at 232, heavier storms over the northeastern part of the state. At one point had a severe thunderstorm warning for parts of DeKalb County earlier this afternoon. Temperatures all over the board where rain is falling. You got 70s, Anniston, Gadsden, Aniana in the 70s, but elsewhere some low 90s on the board. Birmingham at 91. We'll probably be in the 80s tomorrow, Friday, Saturday with an increase in clouds and showers. And around the nation, hottest weather again out west. I'm seeing some temperatures near triple digits over parts of Montana and North Dakota, but very refreshing and cool over the northeast United States. We have excessive heat warnings. Many of the western states, the east is quiet. Severe weather possibilities through tonight. Several marginal risks well to the north and west of here. But tomorrow, much of the southeastern states with a marginal risk, including all 67 Alabama counties. The main threat will come from strong straight-line winds, mainly tomorrow afternoon. And on Friday, no organized severe weather expected across the country. Rain for the next 7 days, heavier amounts here in the southeast. For Alabama, average amounts, 1 to 2 inches. You might see more if a good big downpour sits over your house. But let's go into the tropics, and this is the talk of the town here. We've got, count them, 3 waves to watch. 1 in the Caribbean, 1 in the central Atlantic, and 1 about to come off the coast of Africa. This is the 2-day outlook from NHC. This is the 5-day outlook, and you can see with the 2 lead waves, Invest 97, Invest 98, a high chance of developing, a lower chance for that wave coming off the coast of Africa, but at some point it probably will. Let's look at the lead system, Invest 97, and this thing should begin to bend northward. And a lot of questions here, more questions than answers, and again, nobody knows the final destination. Understand that. I think if you watch these videos, you understand it. But there could be some interaction with the Yucatan Peninsula if it comes out across the Bay of Campeche. If it kind of shoots the gap, the Yucatan Channel up into the Gulf, there could be some more rapid intensification. But understand this could wind up in Mexico. This could wind up somewhere else. This is the look at the ensemble output. And really, not all members develop this. Some don't. But you got the spread all the way from parts of Mexico to just north of Tampa Bay. We just don't know. So just be watching. No need to cancel a beach trip. And understand, if you live on the coast, you should be prepared anyway. Anytime in August and September. This is the peak of the season. We'll have much better clarity by late this week and over the weekend, of course. But any impact would be next week if there is an impact on the Gulf Coast. This is the intensity guidance for Invest 97. Most models bring it up to tropical storm strength and not hurricane strength over 5 days. So this is 98. This is the trailing system out in the Atlantic. Very good agreement in modeling here. Comes out across the Leeward Islands, Puerto Rico, near Hispaniola. And again, one of the questions involved here is what about the interaction with land and what about dry air north of this? This is the ensemble output, and again, you've got a huge spread all the way from Corpus Christi, Texas, to a recurve way off the east coast of the United States. 1,000-mile difference. We just don't know. Again, you need to watch it if you live in Florida or around the Gulf Coast or the Atlantic coast, but at this point, we just don't know. It's beyond the science. Here's the intensity guidance on 98L. A couple of models bring it up to a hurricane in 5 days. Most bring it to a tropical storm. Let's go through modeling now. Here's the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Look at the trough axis in here, and that's the reason the air should be pretty unstable. We'll have a number of showers and storms around. They could be strong. Highs only in the 80s, the sky cloudy at times. And again, there's a marginal risk for all of the state. Pretty much the same deal Friday. More clouds than sun, scattered to numerous showers and storms around. Highs should be in the 80s. And Saturday, not going to rain all day, but a couple of passing showers are likely, maybe a storm. mid-80s, and quite frankly, this run looking really without much change on Sunday. Other runs have suggested an intrusion of drier air Sunday, but that's kind of off the table on this run. We'll still see a number of showers and storms around with 80s, and that's the theme into next week. There's Monday, Tuesday, and a week from today, Wednesday the 26th, flat ridge across the deep south, and again, moist air, scattered showers and storms, and really no evidence of any tropical system here. We'll go out 10 days. This is Saturday, the 29th of August. Again, got a ridge here, and that looks pretty quiet. If this verifies, and this is 10 days out, we all know this will probably change. Rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble, the mean, a little over 2 inches here for the next 15 days. Some of the members exceed 3.5 inches. Highs in the 80s through early next week. That's all right for August. And then back around 90 toward the latter half of next week. And hot off the presses, the new CPC outlook, August 27th through September 2nd. Carries us into the beginning of meteorological fall, autumn. Yeah. Showing temperatures here a little above average if this verifies. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening, on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
There are better ways to keep cool. Call KS Services and receive a new Bryant unit with no payments and no interest for 18 months. Stay cool now and pay later. Visit callks.com for more.